love what you do. The true passion, love and dedication doing voluntarily and learning to communicate and inculcate leadership skills, motivating setting up benchmark were few things shown by our dynamic outgoing office bearers team. Dear chief guest, esteemed guest and fellow Toastmaster, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
I am Anikesh Rasmal, Vice President Public Relations, will be your master of ceremony for the rest of the evening. A warm welcome to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a proud moment for Infosys Toastmaster Bangalore. We are not only having an installation ceremony, but also celebrating, we changed it, right? But also celebrating our 500th meeting. This really calls for a round of applause for all the past office bearers and the Toastmasters member to make this happen. The officer installation ceremony is our opportunity to thank the outgoing office bearers team for their tremendous effort and the job well done. This is also an opportunity to welcome the new leadership team to their roles and responsibility. Today's mesmerizing evening has been divided into three parts. The first of which is the semi-annual installation ceremony for our new office bearers. The second is going to be the release of our newsletter, the distribution of certificates, and chief guest's address. And the last but not the least is going to be the tall tale speech contest, where we will be privileged to see and hear amazing speeches and different aura of competitions from various clubs. Before we start, I would like to take you through a history about Infosys Toastmasters Bangalore. The club was founded in the year 2000 as an initiative of Infosys Leadership Institute and is a chartered club under Toastmaster International, which is a non-profit organization that aims to help its members develop their public speaking, communication, and leadership skills. Since its foundation, our Infosys Toastmaster Bangalore has grown to be one of the best corporate clubs in India and has been awarded the coveted President's Distinguished Club once, the Selected Distinguished Club 4 times, and has been recognized as a Distinguished Club for 5 times. Members of our club have regularly participated in and won several inter-club, area level and division level speech contests and represented in and won several inter-club. This year, the club was recognized as Spirit of 92, Fastest 5 Award, and Distinguished Club Award, and Best Facebook Award. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for a loud round of applause for Infosys Toastmasters Bangalore. Today, we are privileged to have our chief guest as Mr. Sanjay Purohit. Mr. Purohit is currently the CEO and the Managing Director, Edge Verb System Limited, an Infosys company. Sanjay is responsible for leading the Edge suite of software products and platforms. Sanjay has 24 years of diverse experience in leading innovations management, market development, strategic planning, business operation, and leadership development with leading businesses in India and other countries. I would request our associate SAA Ganga to felicitate Mr. Purohit with a token of gratitude and honor. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Mr. Sanjay Purohit. Thank you, Ganga. Today is Infosys Toastmasters Bangalore 500th meet. And to reach this milestone, the credit should go to the person who had mentored us. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, our next guest is someone who had been the mentor for our club, Mr. Arnold Mascarenhas. Mr. Arnold has served the public and private sector for 15 years. As CEO of Bullseye Communications since 1992, he has focused on high-value training. He is a certified advanced Toastmaster Gold from Toastmaster International USA. He serves as a club mentor of the Infosys Toastmaster Club since 2000. He is the ex-president of the Indian Institute of Management Bangalore Auditors Toastmasters Club. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it from Mr. Arnold Mascarenhas, and I would request Ganga to felicitate Arnold with a bouquet. Once again, thank you, Ganga. To run the show, we need a showstopper and a person who is always there with us, supporting as a backbone. Ladies and gentlemen, Let's hear it for our distinguished Toastmaster, Mr. Rajkumar Bansal. DTM Rajkumar Bansal is a senior UPAM for DIS unit and has reached the pinnacle of Toastmasters journey by achieving the title of Distinguished Toastmaster. He is also a Chief Ambassador of District 92. I would request Ganga to felicitate Raj with a bouquet of flowers. Our next esteemed guest needs no introduction. Mr. Rajiv Gupta is the area governor and a very huge source of support for Infosys Toastmasters Club Bangalore. Infosys Toastmasters Bangalore welcome Rajiv. I request Ganga to honor Rajiv with a token of our appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Mr. Rajiv Gupta. Our next guest, distinguished Toastmaster Suhas Kumar, is a member of HGS Toastmaster Bangalore and the current divisional governor. He is also a competent communicator and motivational speaker and has conducted sessions on leadership skills and time management at some of the best schools and colleges in India. I would request Ganga to facilitate DTM Suhas.
Continue. Anikesh, continue.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for DTM Suhas. And for the information, Suhas is also our installation officer for today's ceremony. Now, I hand over the podium to the installation officer. Over to you, DTM Suhas Kumar.
Yay.